Yeah, somebody if you go in the bathroom, go try on the far way. Whenever you go now. She tell me so when me done, me not done. When me done. But me I wait some time. She said when me done the medical clear, if you go in the bathroom and try it on and see. If you have one hand in, one hand out.
It is a girl Annie Boo ends back with a live with Ivany. Mr. Guys, it's a very interesting video. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
Guys, I'm gonna ask you. One time I go on a doctor, I see one lady, it look like she do BBL, like she come for a checkup or something, and she have two something hang down her foot. I don't know if her blood or one liquid. I don't know, two long thing in a tube. It probably blood, it probably. I don't think her blood, it kind of look pinkish. Blood red, and it not look red, it look pinkish. Blood drains. So one time they taking out blood out of you, they put something in you to for the draining come out. Cause the only thing for come out of blood, so them something go in you too when them take fat out of you. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna show you what I do. Oh, chat. The lady said me if you go in the bathroom, go try on the far way. Whenever you go now. She tell me so when me done, me not done. When me done. But me I wait some time. She said when me done the medical clear, if you go in the bathroom and try it on and see. If you have one hand in, one hand out. Look what I get. What is this? Supply, medical supply. Corta uma pila, nossa. So I said, big, this can't work on a plane. It should have square so if you had up on the plane seat. It's tough, man, you feel it. Alright. Chat me know where this comfort foam high density pads. I have 3 of them. Why the reverse not turning off? I'm afraid I think it gonna shock me, you know. I think that's something for shock you, you know. What kind of blood clot boot that there? No one, not foreign, yeah. Jesus Christ. Come like I be a madman, me take. My God, man. Get up off your foot, them, man. Get up off your 2 foot, them, man. I go and fling something down there, watch. I should be have something. But that's something fling it down there. The man look like President Obama, eh?
I saw you many times, so you will go to the voicemail.
On the back of your pillow. When we reach one nurse, I'll help me set you up. One doctor. The rebel, where rebel there? She alive? Where rebel there? Tell her for at me. Let's see. Let's see rebel. Rebel not alive. Wow. She said I must go into the bathroom and try on this. It's a rebel. Rebel! Me say, Rebel no eat doctor tell me say, me now go get flat belly because my belly drop because I have a son. But him say me have whole heap of fat can get people on body.
Yeah, I know that I got my tell me no want a tomato.
No, he said me told you now give me that and more and kids in the future.
Right.
It just show them the things them when me get.
The first stage for all that crap. See you now vlog it.
Now me did a live with them.
See you now YouTube it.
I'm afraid for that by myself. So I'm go live.
Oh.
Me have one little thing. Me have one.
Yeah, go alright. What now do? Are you paying tolerance? What that?
Eh? Oh, me I come me out it though. Wait, I come in, doctor, come in. I'm gonna buy now.
Oh, this comes.
Security watch my stuff then for me. Yeah. Tomorrow. May I do something with the doctor? Oh, I remember you. May I do check my pressure on the things then.
Yeah, that man doesn't accept them on text. I think you should have flagged it though.
You think so? May I start vlog it? I've soon. Wait, don't. Yes, welcome back with the big bottom. Yes.
When will be the surgery? Tomorrow.
Yes.
Dr. Carvalho. Did you see Dr. Carvalho today?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect, very good. The surgery will be there.
At the same place where I see him.
The surgery is in
Not around there at the back where I.
in Palermo.
Okay.
2cc Palermo Avenue.
Yeah. Can you write it for me? The address.
Yes. Take a picture.
Rebel, you the doctor for Rebel. Rebel I'll be a sitting discussion. Yes.
So you are ready to create a position.
Yeah.
You qualify and see how certain that is also really good for me and the benefits of the
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. See ya. Uh-huh. Yeah, my clear chat. Yeah, it's a blood clot. Yeah.
I am taking the second outfit, make me see you stay.
Eh? Me clear, I know. So me can't me fit for the surgery. So one woman can
Smoke,
clear me.
you're not smoke, you're not doing all that.
I took about 3 shots a couple weeks ago.
A while ago?
No? In that last week. I want something, you know. How much coming there?
I wear him the socks when you come out for your swelling.
A 2 pair coming there and 1 pair. 1 pair of stockings. So 1 pair can do
I don't want that.
antibiotics, skin cleaning.
And this nasty up. Jump shots.
Arnica, extra gel.
A triple again shot.
That do the treatment. Capsule. Your skin for strong.
Finish your this shot.
From my cab now. Go fix my teeth, guys. And then me I go for the recovery one. I'm big now.
Finish your this shot.
Shop me, I go vlog it. No more live. Can't do it last minute. Barney Brave. I wanna look like a Barbie doll. 23 rows quick. Yeah, do yours next week. Really? You brave.
This is triple shot.
Me rat, you gonna catch it. But I get in done 360 degree. 360.
What's the Galaxy them team? Mixed Trini, thank you.
Oh, them tell me if I go try on this something, you know. Me have to try it on.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mixed Trini, thank you. Mixed Trini, you get money. You get paid this week.
Let me go try it on.
Tamika, thank you so much, guys. We can't begin a song Galaxy.
Yeah, see phone mad like a what? I love my phone. Alright, I'm gonna try it on, guys. Cause she said it have to fit once and in. No, better. Six. Yes, one. Yes.
Natural delivery.
Yes.
Did you drink alcohol?
Mm-mm.
Do you smoke?
I lied after I lied. I tell me I take one shot, you know. I don't remember the day last week. I think I take one shot. I have to tell you the truth because
Do you smoke?
no.
Did you feel chest pain, palpitations, shoulder to
No.
Okay.
Money, look.
She said my hand supposed to can't go in the middle. Your hand can't go in there tight.
Money, look.
Make we see.
Oh,
You want
better.
to my balls long done. We can't.
Bye.
But girl, me say it tight. My body jar run this and squeeze for life.
23 roses shot.
No, listen to me. I must see your hand. Me say it tight. It too tight. But I want coming out. So when this bleed, when we go to on, I told me I feel bad.
Yo. I cannot just.
Chat. When one bleed, I'ma take it off. When we gonna put on the next one? Me can't. Alright, it bleed up. I'ma wash it. When me put on when this I wash? Me have to have on one next one. You can't wash this and not have on. You have to put it on back. So oh, she sell me one. Me have to go to her about this. Me think a two come in a one pack. Jaden baby, what's going on? Hi. It's too tight. It doesn't have just. Do I need two or one? What if when this is.
If you can get two, of course, it's better. Remember that every day you have to take a shower and change this file for a clean one.
Yeah, I need one more. How much was for one?
160 and 50 cents.
Oh, hell
The
no.
best fajas that you can find.
No. Wow. Okay, I go 100 and how much?
And 60.
Okay, I go.
50 cents. 161.
Okay, I go get the 18. Jaden, lick off our blood clot. Do she know who you are? Everybody grab Jaden right now. Thank you. That's the first time Jaden ever give me.
It.
So me have to go buy one neck. Me buy one already, but one can't do. I'm told me bleed up that. Me have to wash that, so me gonna need the next one.
So you need stage 1 and stage 2. I saw you need one where those not so tight after surgery, but after you're gonna need one where we go suck you in so tight. See how we.
So the one that she did give me before, take that one there. That one that look like it could even fit me rebel. Look like it too tight.
You can't take it too tight, you're gonna squeeze your hips.
Yeah, that one that make could breathe a while ago. It could go up.
And then for tell you which for how you forget.
You see, them a try mash me up already. Why them a put them a girl? They can't even speak English. And of them a put you for give you something.
And then we tell you which size I forget, which one I forget. Them forgive you. Yes,
I go back and say, my girl, deal with the thing good enough. 100 in the building, number 2, number 3. Everybody big. 160.
Guys in the tops now? Top.
It's expensive, man. My God. By the time I reach my yard, I broke. I'm gonna be ready to I don't want the first one to tight in. I can't breathe in that one. Are you gonna give me the two same size or different one?
The same one.
She says same one.
25 roses chat.
What they do.
Hmm?
The other one. What they do one. This one there came out on the oval. The other one on Funwall, it doesn't.
Chat 25.
But I'm sure that this is the correct one.
Okay.
Size for me, one.
Oh, I thought I paid you.
Oh.
Rose
¿Pero qué?
chat.
¿Un periodo?
Rose chat. Rose.
Chat really Anna in the war.
¿Tienes
25 roses with 2.1k people on the live.
este accounting, me lo mandaron para aquí. Ya todo está escaneado.
Come chat, work together. Work together,
Para
chat.
que le prepare el chat como ellos. Ya no ha cerrado nada, ¿verdad? No, dale. Porque hay una muchacha que viene a comprar unos.
Only I know.
Come over favorited. Over there. Stay and them camera. No, she reach at 2,000. You mad? You know, so Miami are one of the worst place. If me did Atlanta, you know long me find one. You know long me I try get one Airbnb. If you go there. No, you know long me I try for recovery homes. She must be mad. Guys, after this me I come off and go my business and come back.
25 roses chat.
How much money? Me not pay no 2,000 for stay at one hotel 6 night. 65, 68.
25 roses chat. Barry, kill me.
Guys, anytime you see me come back live, me I go favorited here. So wanna catch me over favorited. That is too expensive. It's not she pay one thing. You have to pay the hotel separate, which is $980, and you have to pay she, which is a license, whatever, $1,000. So you look at almost $2,000, cause she a charge $200 for her service a day. That is expensive, bro. People stay at Airbnb for $800 and $400, and their friend come and then come get their massage and go back. Fuck. What me?
Triple chat. Does somebody have any Galaxy?
They can't chat me.
Guys, use the Galaxy, them not chat.
No, me not rich, cause you not send me nothing today. You send me money, you send me gift. How much you put? What you put?
Miles, thank you. Paris, thank you. Nobody have any Galaxy team?
Te va a traer los papeles, te va a traer los papeles de esta paciente que se convirtió en frío, voy a crear el frío, pero tienes que planear
Galaxy chat. That's crazy. I'm gonna come the 24th instead of tomorrow. I'm making up, guys. I still need time for some look things.
Dirty pink one. Actually. Why we make rebel win? Yeah, that me I say. With a whole of 7,000, 9,000. Like say. Remember na for we ground chat. From morning, me not go over my ground, you know. You don't need to try it on. Yeah, doctor. You work in this you work in this surgery place? Can you do surgery? Can you ever do surgery? You go school for it or you go tell me? My girl, me not take no talk from you. The woman say me fi try it on and that me I do. This is a risky situation. You no need, you have to try it on, so if it's too tight, then give me one big one. Away from me. Alright, I want something underneath the bottom chat. I don't have to take it off fully. Come on, team, don't make rebel win. I don't know session with the cosmetic. Yeah, the cosmetic. So how do I pull the front part? No.